Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I'm Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. Lately, all that stuff gets uploaded here. In today's video, I'm drawing a girl and a predator in an anime style. I will be presenting my drawing as a time-lapse. In real time, this took me about 60 minutes. I will be drawing the base in blue pencil and the girl is based off a trace. Grid lines will then assist with the drawing of the predator. The trace is of page 80 of my Idiot's Guide to Drawing Manga, and I traced the main lines only. From here, I set up my paper for the second head by drawing some guidelines and taking measurements of my traced reference. After this, I added details to the female head by adding more pencil to the eyes, some extra detail to her neck, nose and lips, and then I gave her a hairstyle. Next, I drew the base of the predator head. This starts the same way you would any drawing, basically the overall shape, neck, shoulders. I then add in the eyes, trying to give them an anime/manga outline. From drawing start to completion of the line work, it took about 30 minutes. I scanned this piece in after the pencil and again after the application of line work. To colour the girl, I chose a brown for the skin, and I think she winds up looking Caucasian anyway, so that's probably a facial feature thing. I give her red hair, which maybe makes her Caucasian, and to complement this, I give her a green dress. For the bodice, I coloured that a little darker and added some lines to indicate lace or another not quite opaque material. While I am on the topic of clothing, I'm still working on drawing croquets. One of my graphic design subjects was fashion design, and I'm leaning towards getting into having a bash at that again. I gave the girl's hair a lot of highlights by unevenly colouring in sections of the hair. This had the advantage of breaking up the hair into segments, which helps with the sketch pad and the ink use. The dark bit of skin to the right of her nose is there as the marker I was using dried on the paper, which sort of botched up the colouring job there. When it came to colouring the predator, I defaulted to my minimalist style. Despite using sparse colour, it might be a bit busy for the style I was going for. I think I could have thickened up the lines a bit to emphasise the fangs and the armour as well. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you got ideas for or were inspired to draw in your own sketchbook, etc., subscribe, like and share. If you were inspired to draw, share your results with me in the comments or on one of my social media outlets, as I'll be interested to see what you come up with. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing.